so obsessed. This hair feels so silky, so just quality. And I love when we don't have to do too much. Hi loves, I'm in collab with Luvme Hair, and let's get into the details of this unit. This is the Luvme All Day Comfort Wig, 180% density, bone straight with baby hair, PartingMax Glueless 7x6 closure HD lace wig with the pre-cut lace. This lace is already pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked for you. You see this HD lace, and look at this cap. This is the All Day Comfort cap. It's nice and stretchy. It has a comb in the back, which is great. It is detachable, and you see the smart clip technology on this. This makes it so it can fit all head sizes, and the C-shaped ears are everything, okay? So it makes it feel so much more comfortable on your head. Also, my hair is 22 inches. This adjustable band comes with the wig, and you can either put it on or leave it off, but this is where you would put it. I just advise if you want to wear it glueless, then yeah, put it on. So you have the option if you want to glue it down as well, but with the band, it's 100% glueless. Now, I just want to let you see what this hair looks like straight out the box. It's not a lot of maintenance to this, okay? It's already super soft, it's straight, and so I'm like, you know what? I just need to touch it up a little bit. But I just had to admire the fact that this lace is melting, okay? This lace is melting into my scalp. I had to like do a double take. This is crazy. I'm like, Luvme, you did your big one with this one, okay? Because look at this. It looks so good. So here's the baby hairs on this wig. As you can see, they're nice and long. So you can either wear the baby hairs or slick them back. And I'm going to slip them back. But getting into the C-shaped ears of this wig, I just want to show you how comfy this is. Like, you can literally wear this all day because it does not bother you. All right, like the way this construction of the cap is so comfortable. Now I'm just going to straighten my hair right quick, and I just want to let you see that this is 100% human hair. All right, I used my Tymo flat iron to straighten this hair, and I used it on 425 degrees, and it worked so well. This hair straightens so good. I mean, it's just, you know, like I said, when you get it out the box, it's nice and straight already, but of course, you know, just to straighten it a little bit more so we have that nice silky touch. So let's get into the details about wearing a glueless unit. Now, the fun part about it is you can shake your hair back and forth. You can go outside with it. It will not fall off like that. This wig has a really nice grip to it. The All Day Comfort cap is so comfy, but also is a lot of security to it. And another thing I want to mention too is that because this is 100% human hair, you can dye this hair. Yes, it's okay to dye this hair if you want to. Now I'm using the Edge Booster Pomade Stick. Don't use too much of this product just because sometimes it can make the hair a little bit greasy. But I like it for slicking back baby hairs, and then also I put it on the perimeter of the wig as well, just to slick it down a little bit more, make it flat because we like it flat, okay? We like our hair to lay down as much as possible. And it's funny because obviously underneath this wig my braids are pretty big, so I just want to make sure that I use my flat iron and my hot comb to make sure it's as flat as possible. And so with the pomade, it's really good to use this too if you want to change your part. I decided not to do small sections. I just want to do big sections, and I went over it a couple of times. So just with a few passes, it was nice and bone straight. I love it, y'all. This hair was so soft. I was like obsessed because of the 180% density too. It just makes it nice and full. Like, I don't have stringy hair. So now I'm just going in with the hot comb just to make sure that the crown is laying down and looking good. As you can see, 100% glueless. I'm passing this comb and it is so easy. This wig is so great for beginners because it is glueless, but also you don't have to do too much to it. This is just an extra step. If you can see your cap, sometimes because it's HD lace and it's very transparent, I like to make my part stand out a little bit more and make sure that I am covering that line of demarcation from the cap. And this makes it look so good, and like it just makes the wig just look even more natural than it already does. So I definitely highly recommend, if you want that part to stand out, to use your favorite powder or concealer. And also if you need to blend in a little bit more, you can always use a tinted spray. But you see, I just wanted to get a close-up of how good that's looking, and you don't see my cap anymore. You can't tell me nothing with this wig on. It's coming from my scalp at this point. This is so melted. I'm just like, yeah, it's mine. Yeah, what's up? This hair is passing all of my requirements. You see as I shake my head, that flow. And then, yeah. You know I had to do it for y'all, all right? I want to show you that this wig is not going anywhere. Let's get a view from the back. Yeah, body. When I tell you this is not thinning out on me anytime soon, 180% density is so nice and full. I got all the volume that I need. So yeah, I should be able to keep this for a while. Anytime you experience flyaways, get your favorite hairspray out and just start spraying it just a tad bit. Don't do too much because you don't want to make your hair hard. You don't want it to be stuck together. But use your favorite one and spray it just a tad bit for any flyaways that are just acting stupid. Okay, sometimes we have to do that, and you can comb it down in place, and yeah, we're looking perfect now. It's just picture perfect at this point. You need this wig in your collection. Thank me later. The details are in the description box below. Check it out. And if you want a discount, and I mean the best one, make sure you use the code LMAMS. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.